Did you know?
In partnership with Train at Work, companies are successfully engaging apprentices and obtaining government monetary rewards in crores.
You can too turn your HR department into a profit center.
We can help you implement apprenticeship in the right way.
Train at Work has been the #1 third-party aggregator, TPA in India in apprenticeship implementation for the last 3 years.
Train at Work as an end-to-end apprenticeship implementation partner.
Our services, advisory, help create apprentice policy framework, apprenticeship portal registration, coordination with NSDC and SSC officials, documentation and contract generation, basic training, assessments, and certification, stipend payouts, claims and reimbursements.
Why Train at Work? Delegated accounts team, ERP, 100% claims disbursement.
Train at Work impact so far: 90,000 plus apprentices engaged to date, 700 plus clientele base, 100 plus core saved in workforce cost, 20 plus industry sector association.
The mission of the central government is to attain 1 million apprentices engagements in the financial year 2022-23. Take your business forward with apprenticeship implementation with the Train at Work support.
Want to know more? Grab a free copy of our NAPS ebook. Download now.